So this is the potato harvest. When to harvest. You can see here the leaves are starting to die off. So I dug these up from that hole right there, and I've got about 5 more plants I gotta pull up. Now these were the first plants to come up, and I'll be throwing this in the compost pit. But I got two nice sized potatoes and some seed potatoes right here. These will be used for seed potatoes. When they start to sprout, I'm gonna drop them in here. But I'll be amending this soil with some compost that I'm making over there. And these are the rotten onions that I planted. I'm cutting them down and turning those leaves into chives. And this is the garlic. And I harvested some other potatoes in here, and I've planted some beet seeds in there. The idea is to keep everything, trying to have food growing year round. And this is the wheat that I planted, I think last month or 3 weeks ago. Taken off. But got my water, trying to get my water pump running right. But this is wood ash right here. I'm going to be throwing that into that hole right there. And this is all organic. It's pretty hard to grow organic. Pretty hard to grow organic. You might want to have GMO seeds with you if you're ever gonna try to survive, because organic's a whole different ball game. But collecting firewood over there. I'll be cutting down that tree right there. It's an Arizona ash. I really got to get me a camera, because this phone is only limited to what it could do, and the front camera is bad. So I'll be pulling these, and if with any luck, I should get about the same harvest. And then of course I'll pull those up as those leaves start to die. See y'all later.